Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Artis MS301 wireless Bluetooth party speaker. This is the front side of the packaging where we can see someone actually using the party speaker or rather holding onto the mic. There's a slogan on the top that says, "Love your sound." Once we rotate the packaging, we can see one of the key features being highlighted, that is, you can double up your music experience with TWS function. What that means is you can take two such speakers and pair them together with the same playback device, that is the same smartphone or the same music player, and then both of the speakers will play the audio at the exact same time and you get stereo functionality. Then once we flip it around again, we can see what the speaker looks like. You also have a little bit of lighting action in the center, and on the last surface we can see some of the key features. Now obviously this is a massive package, which is why we are unboxing this sideways, but at this point we can sort of level it up and go through all the features one by one. So you've got Bluetooth connectivity, FM radio, auxiliary input, USB input, TF card reader so you can insert micro SD cards, microphone input, RGB glow lights, and the wattage of the speakers combined together in terms of RMS is 20 watts, and once charged you get a playback time of 2 hours. Some additional specifications are present on the bottom. The Bluetooth version is 5.0, Bluetooth range is 10 meters maximum, battery capacity is 1200 milliamp hours, input is via micro USB interface and it takes 5 volts at 1 ampere. Playback time, as we saw previously, is 2 hours. The capacity of the micro USB or TF card that can be inserted is 32 gigabytes maximum. Sensitivity is 80 decibels. Frequency response is from 150 Hz to 18 kilohertz. And the driver size is 4 inches wide, and there are 2 drivers in the speaker. The overall weight is 1.5 kilograms. At the bottom, you can see a little sticker with the manufacturer's contact information. You also have support contact information over here. This thing is also BIS certified, so that's a very good thing. And that's it for the packaging. We can go ahead and unbox the device. Inside the packaging, we've got the speakers as well as several accessories. We'll go through them one by one. This has an XLR female on one side and a massive stereo jack on the other. Then there's a carrying strap as well. Then there's the microphone, at the bottom of which you have an XLR male interface. So that's where this particular cable comes into picture. You've got just one button on it to power it on or switch it off. Then you've got the auxiliary cable. It's a stereo auxiliary cable, as you can see, 3 poles. Then there's the micro USB to USB Type A interface cable, followed by the user manual for the Artis MS301. There's a little note regarding the warranty. You have a handy little QR code on the back which you can scan to begin your registration process. Then there's a brochure on the inside showcasing all the different Artis products that you can purchase. And the last thing inside the packaging is a remote control. A battery is pre-installed in the remote control and it uses a CR2025. In order to activate it, just pull the plastic tab and you should be good to go. So that's it for the unboxing of the Artis MS301 wireless stereo party speaker. Thank you for watching.